Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp status not uploading problem. So to fix that, it's really simple. First of all, we should be sure that our app WhatsApp is connected to the internet. For that, we go to settings, and after that, we go to cellular. Scroll down a little bit until you find your applications. Go and click on WhatsApp. And be sure that you choose WLAN and cellular data. That means WhatsApp will work with Wi-Fi or cellular data. The second thing, go and check if you need to update WhatsApp. So go and look for WhatsApp on the App Store. And if there is update button like this, click on update and update the app. The third solution is to check if there is an international problem for WhatsApp, because sometimes it happens with all the apps that they stopped working for 1 or 2 hours, and it does not happen frequently, like every month, but it happens maybe like every 1 or 2 years. You have to check that too. Also, another solution is to restart your phone and leave it closed for 1 or 2 minutes. And the last solution is to back up your applications and delete the app and install it again. And to delete it, you have to long press on it, click on remove app, and after that, go and install it again. But like I told you, you have to be sure that you did the backup of your conversations before. And normally with one of these solutions, the problem will be fixed. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.